Hey everybody, and welcome back to the Mind Catchers channel. I'm going to start off this look with the Elf eyeshadow primer. I use it a lot, love it. It's very affordable. Try it out. Next thing I'm going to use is this base from Stilazi. You can use it as a gel liner or a base. I did do a review for them, so I will leave the link down below in the description box. They have gorgeous gel liner. The palette I'm using today is the Posh Peacock Palette, and this is from Elf Cosmetics. It has 7 shades inside, super affordable. These two colors of blue really spoke to me, so I decided to use those. Haven't done a blue look in a very long time. Wetting my brush with some Elf setting spray, and that blue just sang on my lids. It is gorgeous. You guys who saw it on Instagram loved it too. I got a lot of likes on this one, so I said this has to become a tutorial. Using the CoverGirl liner. This is just a basic black liner from CoverGirl. Works very well. I felt like the look was so dramatic. I went very simple, no huge wing this time. Using the black Radiance contour palette, I'm just using that matte lighter shade in there as a brow bone highlight. Using the lashes from the June BoxyCharm box. They are Baddington lashes. I'm using the Peacock Eye Mascara from CoverGirl and Makeup Forever's M10 Aqua XL liner. It does not smudge. Blink eyelash primer. I can't live without it. Love it. They do have drugstore eyelash primers as well. We're moving into the face. I'm using the Elf Cosmetics Oil Control Primer Mist. Trying it out for the first time. LA Girl Pro Concealer. This is the orange corrector. Trying to conceal all of the dark spots and discoloration, pretty much the bottom part of my face. You guys know the struggle is real if you watch my Foundation Fridays. Also for today, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. This is in the shade, I kind of forgot. I will link it down below. I think it's 365 is the shade, but I can't think of the shade name. But it works so well with my skin tone, and I love the wear of this foundation. Here I'm using the Naked Skin Concealer. You guys know this is my favorite from Urban Decay. I'm using the shade Dark Warm this time. My usual shade is Dark Golden, but I switched over to Dark Warm and I'm loving it. And as you can see, I am really trying my hardest to blend that in. I'm going to go back and forth with that for a while. I'm going to set it with the dermablend powder. I put down my Sasha, you guys. Try dermablend out. You will not regret it. This is in the shade Warm Saffron. Using the Tarteist mascara for my bottom lashes because they make my lashes pop. I really love this. Naked Skin Concealer again, but this is the deepest one. I believe it's called Deepest Dark or something like that. But anyway, it works great as a contour for me. So I'm going to do my contour with this. Going to blend it in with a blender from Elf. And that's my favorite blender at the moment. It's so soft and it's just perfect. Try it out. It does have like little sparkles in it, but the sparkles don't come off on your face. So don't be thrown off by the sparkles in that blender. And you're going to see me switch tools for my nose contour. I'm using a Real Techniques Dome brush. and then I blend it out with my blender again. I'm going to set that contour with that Black Radiance powder, same contour kit. If you have not tried out their contour kits, please do. It's worth every cent, very affordable. And I'm using the highlight in the contour palette from Black Radiance. It is a beautiful, subtle highlight. So if you're a person that does not like all of the bling and the glitter and everything, this can be applied wet to give you more of a shiny glow, or you can apply it the way I did, dry, and you're going to still get a nice, subtle glow. It's very pretty. I also applied it on the brow bone, just a little bit on my forehead, my nose, my chin, all the places that the light would naturally touch. This is from Stilazi, the company that gave me the gel liners. This is their blush palette. They have two, one for, I would say, lighter skin tones. This one is for the darker skin tones in the shade Barbados. It is gorgeous. Elf came out with this new spray. On my lips, I'm using Milani's, let me see, this is Foxy from Milani 04. And that's Elf Makeup Setting Spray. Cyber kisses, everyone. Thank you for watching. Bye.